buy your turkey, if you buy the whole one, you have sometimes you have the giblets. So the giblets, they are put inside. You need to check where the neck area, and you find this is where you have the gizzard and the liver. So you can take that out here. So as you can see, yes, you have the neck bit here as well. And yeah, you check to make sure that everything is out. Okay, so here I've got my blended garlic and ginger. I love to use garlic and ginger because the liquid in there will soak into the breast and everywhere of the turkey. Then I've also got here my all-purpose seasoning, and I've got here some fresh curly parsley. I've actually chopped some, as you can see here. I've just chopped some of the parsley, and then here I've got some fresh rosemary. So I've got some fresh rosemary, and then I've got some fresh thyme. Then I've got some black pepper. Okay, and I've got olive oil, and I've got some salt to taste. Now, if you don't have any of these fresh herbs, you can use dried herbs as well, but today I'm going to be using the fresh herbs. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to actually use a little bit of the olive oil to actually rub the skin of the turkey. So this is what I'm going to do. So rub it on. Not 3 teaspoons. I've got a very small teaspoon. Also, I'm going to add all my salt because you've already put the seasoning inside. The salt actually enhances all the taste in there. I'm actually going to then put in the thyme. I will dip in the rosemary as well, so that I can get 1 or 2 teaspoons of the olive oil. So I'm going to taste this. Yeah, I think the seasoning is okay. These gloves. Okay, so if you don't have them, you can use your hands. I prefer to use my hands to marinate this turkey so that I can get the seasoning everywhere. So I'm putting my gloves on. I'm going to soak up any, I've got tissue, soak up any extra liquid inside. The rosemary and the thyme goes inside, and I'm going to rub it of the turkey. So I'm going to turn it this way, and then if you see I put my hand inside like that, try and get inside the skin so that I can push in the without tearing the skin. You have to be very careful. Then I'm going to turn it over. And the rest goes all over the turkey. Okay, I'm going to turn it again to make sure that I've got the seasoning everywhere. I'm going to then turn the turkey upside down so that the breast is facing downwards. Okay. So you need your foil, so your turkey foil. Now, just also to let you know, before it goes in the oven, you have to then turn the turkey over so that the breast is facing upwards. You might find that the breast might be a little bit on the flat side, but what you can do is you can reshape it with your fingers to make sure that it comes back into shape. So you flip it over, turn it, the breast should be facing upwards and the back facing at the bottom, and then you can put it in your oven. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, give us a thumbs up, leave your comments, and also don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. You can do this with your chicken or with your turkey for any time. Take care, bye.